So check it out. I just got this Lionel 2029 Adriatic from eBay. I paid about 39 bucks for it, which included the shipping. So there is a couple issues, but I'm not out a whole lot. I did have to pull the E-unit out of it. It's no good. So I wired the motor direct, which isn't hard to do. You just take the wire that comes up from the center rail pickups and hook that to one side of the brush plate. And then you take the wire from the field coil and hook that to the other side of the brush plate. And that's about all there is to it. And if it doesn't run the direction you want, then you just switch the wires. I did have to put a new smoke unit in it. And so I put one of those that'll take the liquid smoke. And I replaced the traction tire, which is kind of unusual, I thought. For one of these, maybe I think they were made during the Korean War, and maybe the magnet stuff they used for the magnet traction wasn't available, or maybe it was even later. I'm not sure what years these were made. And I also have a Lionel train sounds tender hooked up to it, and of course a few other goodies that it's pulling. So we'll take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. Pretty smooth runner and good puller. And there goes the smoke unit. It should be smoking pretty good this next time around. Those rebuild kits work really good. They smoke, usually they smoke pretty good, so you see the smoke pouring out of it now. Buy them pretty cheap. I buy them from eBay. They're only like $5. Pretty cheap fix. And we'll pick the camera up this time around. Seems to be running better and better. It gets broken in. Had to do a lot of cleanup on the motor. One of the pickup, for some reason, their roller pickups and some of these get crammed up inside them. You have to pull them out and snap them back in place, but that's not hard to do either. And we'll put the camera back down, why not? Those sound tenders really add new life to these old behemoths. And they run really good. You can buy them, and still buy them for really reasonable. I seem to get better prices on eBay than I do at train shows for these. All right, it only goes forward, but that's okay. That's all I need, and maybe I'll find a replacement E-unit at a train show or something. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is Lord.